Healing Talks with Kingdom Docs. I'm Dr. Adetone Musa.
I'm Dr. Hussein Musa. Please visit us at kingdomdocs.com to learn more about our private practice, donate to our medical ministry, the Kingdom Healthcare System, and share and download this podcast with your friends.
Absolutely. So the last episode we were discussing hope and what we hope for our patients.
Yes, we want our patients to get better.
Yeah.
And traditionally in medicine, we do a lot of disease management.
Yes.
And I honestly feel that we wait a little too long before we take aggressive steps to manage patients' health. And the real aggressive step should be in preventative. It should be aggressive lifestyle change, not aggressive intervention.
I mean, let's face it, a lot of people are suffering from chronic illnesses in this country, and just thinking about my experience with my patients, it has been a struggle overcoming some of the chronic illnesses, like for instance, hypertension, high cholesterol, and some of the ramifications down the road, like stroke, for instance, or other heart conditions, right, that will lead to brain damage. And I don't think that prescribing more and more medications really puts a dent in these chronic illnesses. Just like you said, it has to do with preventative health. You could think of it as secondary prevention, right? If somebody's already suffering from a lot of these illnesses, but you have to be aggressive. You have to aggressively manage their weight and partner with patients to reduce their intake and calories. They may need some coaching, they may need some hand holding, and that's really when I start to see the turnaround.
I like that. I think it's also very empowering that you give the patient something different, because let's face it, if you've been taking the same medication for 3 to 5 years and you keep going up on the dose and you add another medication, hope starts to dwindle that things are going to get better, because nobody wants to stay on medications forever.
Yes, that's true. And again, I'm Dr. Adetone Musa.
I'm Dr. Hussein Musa.
This is Healing Talks with Kingdom Docs.
Please visit us at kingdomdocs.com to download and share our podcast. And you can also donate to our nonprofit medical ministry, the Kingdom Healthcare System. And we hope to see you at our private practice, Kingdom Healing Institute.
Absolutely. So we're discussing hope and what we hope for our patients, and how it really has to do with preventative care. It has to do with reestablishing the traditional relationship between doctor and patient. It's a relationship.
It really is, and healthcare has changed, because now it's become impersonal. You have health systems and you have providers who manage your illness, but really you need care. You need one-to-one care with a healthcare provider, somebody who's going to walk with you through your illness, guide you, and also encourage you, because this journey, it's a long journey to recover.
You know, I've been thinking a lot in this new year about journeys and how it is so important to walk with God, to walk in the Spirit, right? And this does have to do with healthcare, because you may need someone to walk with you and to nurture that desire and that hope in you in such a way that it actually becomes reality. You could call this coaching, or you could call this even like a discipleship. And it's really about teaching, it's about encouragement in the right things to do for your body, because our body is a temple.
I love what you said, and we do have the power and the ability to change and transform our health, but you have to hope for it. You have to see it first. You have to have that vision. And when you have a healthcare team that is rooting for you, you're going to become more hopeful. You're going to become expectant of change.
Absolutely. Well, that concludes our episode for today. Visit us at kingdomdocs.com to make a donation to our nonprofit ministry, the Kingdom Healthcare System, or to make an appointment in our private practice.
Please visit us at kingdomdocs.com to download and share this podcast with a friend.